Hi everybody, Jason with NextGen Environmental here. One of the things that we're going to want to talk about today is Crawlspace encapsulation, and how it can make your home a healthier place to live. So let's get started. So you can see here we are in an older farmhouse. This is kind of a basement slash crawl space area, and we have another opening here with some crawl space up in here that we can go up in and see and look around. But basically, when you have an older farmhouse like this, you can see you're going to get some ground moisture. It's just going to come up from the ground. You can see it starting to seep up the foundation walls there, and it's kind of damp down in here. And what that does is when you have this damp soil, it leads to higher humidities in both down here and in the house in general itself, which with high humidities, anything over 30%, you can start to see mold growth happening. So what we really want to do is we really want to get some plastic, some encapsulation down over this floor, up the walls, maybe a sump pump drain in here just to handle any moisture if we do happen. But when we add those materials and we get that this all encapsulated in here and in the crawl space area, it's really going to help the humidity. It's going to keep that moisture in the ground where it needs to be and away from the house, which will definitely increase the healthiness of your home. So you can see, not a lot of room, right? But anyways, we'll still get down in here. We'll get this all encapsulated. We'll really make this a nice, healthy basement, healthy crawl space for the homeowners here, and really take care of those health problems that could result from moisture and mold growth in an unhealthy home. So if you have any other questions, just reach out to us, NextGen Environmental, 607-442-6653. See you later.